I swear, man. It's like I always take 2 steps forward to take 10 steps back. So I went to go tighten down on that sensor. Let me just show y'all here. Yeah, on the sensor that was back there where I seen it leaking at from, right? This is the fucking probe for the Intellitronix, right? Now, pay attention. This camera, I don't got time for it, man. I don't got time for it. Y'all see what's missing? Oh my gosh. Do y'all see what's missing, man? Do y'all see what's missing on the end of this adapter right here? Do y'all see what's missing? Yeah, it don't got no freaking threads on it, man. It broke. It broke like right there at the end of the adapter. It broke off in the fucking block, man. In the damn block. Minor setback for a major comeback, right? That's what they say. I'm losing the fight right now, but I ain't gonna lose the war, man. I said, hey, yo. This your boy Tulu, man. Back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How are y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up, man. I hope all is going well for you. I hope you're accomplishing everything that you set out, all of your goals. I hope you're getting everything that you deserve right now. For real, for real. Salute, salute, salute. But hey, if it ain't going right for you right now, man, you're going through a bad day, bad situation, bad month. Hey, all you got to do is just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes. Tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, man, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, man, we're going to go ahead and get right into this thing today. I'm going to go ahead and just explain some things to y'all, and I'm going to just go ahead and get to work, man. All right, so as you know, y'all know we had that sensor, the adapter to break off, man. We got our new adapter on there. And yeah, we're going to try to put it back in that same place. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, I don't break this one. But we going to try it. All right. And then the next thing, man, shout out to my guys for pulling up. All my guys pulled up for me on the panel, and we kind of talked about some things. So I am going to need my original sensor hooked back up for the LS, you know, just for, I guess, the PCM to be able to do its job as well. So what we're going to be doing is taking this fan relay switch out, and we're going to take this wire and we're going to hook it to pin 42 on the blue side. I have the drive-out wire, so I have the blue and red. So on the blue side, pin 42, I think it's somewhere along here. But we're just going to tap into that wire, man. We're going to see if it works. If not, hey, we got other backup plans. Like I said, shout out to my guys, man. It'll be more extensive work to do some of the other things that we were talking about. But hey, it is what it is. But like I said, man, we're going to go ahead, put all that stuff together. Then we're going to have to burp the system and get this thing running, man. Today. All right, man. Cross y'all fingers. Let's rock. All right, y'all. So we got this old sensor back in. We'll just get it in the hole, G. Dang, it's hot. Oh man. All right, so we got that. All right, now like I said, man, we're gonna take this wire right here that we had connected to that sensor. Well, yeah, the switch or whatever you want to call it, and it's gonna be on the blue side. As y'all see right there, blue. It's gonna be pin number 42. So that's my pin 42. This green, oh Lord, y'all can't even see this green wire right here. So we're gonna use our little connector. Hold on, let me get y'all set up. Lord, oh yeah, we watching man, while we sitting here working, man, sitting here watching my dude JG, man. Sitting here watching my dude, he live right now. Shout out to my guy, man. Appreciate his knowledge and all the conversation that we done had, man. All of y'all, man. Like we done said, we got the dopest community on YouTube. All right, hold on. I don't know, y'all. Here, sit here. Sit here. Y'all sit right there. Stay right there. All right, so like I said, we're going right here to that. You know, I'm just want to make sure, man. Going right here to pin 42. Right here. Hit the green. Oh, you need my help? Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. All right, man. So, all right, we got that hooked up, man. Boom. Connected right here to my PCM. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and start topping this radiator off, and then, hey, we about to get this thing back started, man. Cross our fingers. Hopefully no leaks. Hopefully no bad leaks. Let's go. All right. Now the radiator is full. Let me turn y'all around here. Radiator is full. You see it's bubbling off in there. So we know it's trying to get some air. Now, shout out to my dude, JG, man. Well, he's one of the first ones that I seen use one of these. This is like a burping kit. Oh, let me get out the box. It's hard to do it with one hand. But it has all the fittings and everything in here, man. It's gonna help us get that air out that system, man. So let me set this up and hold on. We're gonna wait on that to bubble down some more. Probably add some more to it. And yeah, we're gonna try to get this puppy started up, man. Let's go. All right, man. As you see, well, it done went down some. As you see, it's going down in there. Man, I've been walking around looking, just double checking some stuff, making sure wires are kind of out of the way. We know we got to get them right. Making sure we ain't got no leaks nowhere visibly while the car is not running. This the main one I'm kind of worried about back here, but we're gonna definitely check that. But man, hey, here goes something, man. I'm about to try to start this puppy up. Let me sit y'all over here. And hey, this is the test right here, man. All this work we done did. Got a new starter in there. Try to hook up this wire harness. Got a new radiator. Try to figure out this relay stuff. Man, I'm always nervous when I do something, man. I'm always nervous. Let's just get to it. Man, my baby haven't been started in a minute. Come on now. Hopefully I hooked everything up right. Here goes something. Oh, hey, that starter kicked it up. You could tell. Come on, baby, get it together. Oh, she shut off. Oh, man, I like that. I like that. All right, let's look for some leaks and stuff. I don't see no visible leaks, man. And it looks like I don't know. I guess because it ain't been started up in a while, man. Let's look at these gauges. Oh, man. Oh, we looking, y'all. We looking. All right, look at the dams. All right, so we got a 79 reading going up. RPMs, we definitely gonna have to calibrate that. Oil pressure says we have 56. Man, it looks like it's holding. It's going up to 57. Temperature's going up. Man, hey, I don't know, y'all. I think we did it, man. I think we did it. I don't see no leaks still walking around. Let's see how this gonna work out, man. I don't know if this cause that air filter, cause it's making a little sound right there when it's dropping like that. Now I really want to see if that doggone, I really want to see if that fan kick on, man. For real. Hopefully that temperature is reading right. I need to go grab my thing and see how we supposed to calibrate this thing. See this cooler keep on going up and down, up and down. I should put some more in there, but I think it's good though. I think it's good for real. Oh man, hey, I definitely appreciate each and every one of y'all, man, for all the help, for all the assistance that y'all been doing for me, man. I truly appreciate it. The next thing we got to do is put some air in the tire, man. We're gonna send it, man. We're gonna put it on the road. I probably do have to make sure, what I am gonna get up with one of my friends and do is make sure that that thing is turned on in the tune for the fans to be able to come on. So I'm gonna probably get up with him, maybe get some content with him coming over doing that for me. Until then, man, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. Thank y'all.